Nobody wants a Jaclyn Hill lipstick up in here. It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So today we're going to be opening up August's Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty Box runs $15 a month. It is plus tax. So I end up paying about $16.05 and usually includes 5 to 6, and it's a mix of full and sample size products. They do include a pamphlet which has everything included for the month. I'll leave that for the end of the video. Ooh, it's like a yellow color. Ooh, look at that. The multitask eye serum mask. And it's supposed to combat under eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. So I am excited to try this. My face is freshly washed. So this is, whoa. This is obviously a sample packet, but the full size is $35. Whoop! Crap, I dropped it. It is super slippery. The same consistency as the snail mask. Show you all the little holes. That's a close-up of it. I usually don't use eye masks, so I'm just like, what is on my face? I still have the little patches on. I'm gonna leave it on until I'm done with my eye makeup. They didn't give me a time to how long to keep it on, so I'm just gonna keep going. Laritzy, and it's Liquid Beam, and it's in the color Topaz. Multi-purpose liquid illuminator. Ooh. Gonna illuminate my eyes. That's what Liquid Beam's looking like a frosted gold. Okay, yeah, I don't think smelling that is a good idea. Yeah, it's like a frosted gold. It looks super similar to the Medusa makeup gold that I was using, like same consistency it feels like. Hopefully this one wears better. So what I tried doing was blending out this monstrosity of liquid eyeshadow, and didn't work out so well. I'm basically just rubbing it off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off and start over. And I also took off the eye serum mask. As you can see, I still have dark circles. So, not sure what's up with that. What the pamphlet said, and I missed, was that it's supposed to apply with a glossy wet finish. So, and it's supposed to be buildable. So I didn't really experience that. And it is also supposed to be sheer, so it's not supposed to go on its own, I'm assuming. So I am going to use a different palette for a minute and then come back and we can apply the glossy wet finish. Also, the eye serum mask that I was using is tingling right now. Nothing uncomfortable, but I can tell that something was there. I'm assuming that's just to show it working. So we shall see once I'm done with my makeup. So I just went with a really basic eyeshadow look. Nothing spectacular. I'm gonna put it on my lower lid. Alright, well that seems a lot better. Alright, so this is what the eye is looking like. Problem for me with a glossy wet shadow is it creases. Look, I have hooded eyes. Glossy wet doesn't work for me. It needs to dry. This is like making me so upset. But that is so, I'm not a fan of the Laritzy. Clearly, I'm sure a professional could do a better job. But for dum-dums like me, this is a no-no. This is just trash. I am not happy with Laritzy. I don't know how to apply that thing. Hi, I'm back again. So I washed my face and we're basically just gonna start from scratch because Laritzy got me heated. Primera, and it looks to be a water cream or moisturizer. Full size of this runs $40. Yeah, so it's just white. It smells like a moisturizer. Makes your skin feel really soft and silky and smooth. They also included a Nuria Triple Action Eye Cream. Full size of this also runs $40. Whoa, look at that tip. Oh, that's crazy. Never seen a tip like that before. Emits anything, or there's no safety seal. Oh wow, it's thick. This is a thick eye cream. Ooh. This eye ain't feeling it. This eye is not feeling it at all. Okay, I'm slightly better. Unusual and very useful applicator. Found that one. And it helps bring down the morning puffiness right away. Do I still look puffy? I don't not that puffy actually. So maybe it did work. Alright, let's go back to the Laritzy. According to the booklet, they use a bronzer first on their eyelids as an eyeshadow and then just tap it into the center of your eyelid so it is shiny. I'm gonna try and use a finger application this time, and I have to track down a bronzer so we can actually attempt this magic trick. I was actually just talking and realized that my camera was off. I put it on and I'm patting it with my finger. Apparently you can't pat too hard or you pat it right off your eye. As you can see, there's like a full-on patch on my eye. Same thing with this one. And I keep reapplying and it's just not disappearing. So whatever they're telling you on the Allure magazine is BS. Lies, lies, lies. I don't know who came up with this product, but this is officially trash. I cannot work with you. I cannot even like defend you because you're so trash. To anyone watching this video, if you got the Allure box and you got this liquid beam, please let me know how you used it. I think the only thing I can do is do it without a base. And it's like, then what the hell's the point of the liquid beam if I'm just gonna go bare? I don't wanna do that. It's makeup. It's supposed to cover shit up. But that's the end of this. Trash. Trash. Liquid beam. I said it. Trash. So moving on. Okay. Calming down. They're real. And this is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's a Beyond Mascara. I'll do an eyeliner first, because I'm looking really messy right now. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a little caterpillar. It's a very straight wand. So that's what my eye's looking like. It was okay. It didn't blow me away. I guess I had higher expectations for a Benefit mascara. They definitely separated my top lashes a lot more than they usually are. They still look messy, so don't judge me. But the wand, I guess, is a little bit too big for me to control compared to other mascaras that I've tried. So I did have a few mess ups where I have like dabs on my skin, like that's one right there. It doesn't make them super long, so I can't really testify to the whole they're real bit. It still looks like my regular lashes, thank you, just darker. Full size of this is $25. Cargo Essential Lip Color, Palm Beach. Let's open it up and see what it's looking like. Not holding out hope if it's saying Palm Beach. So that's the packaging right there. I love this. This is so cute. And this is $22. Let's see what it's looking like. Ooh, that is looking very, very light. That is like super pink. That is a hot pink. What is that? It got me a little scared, but a fleck of the casing got onto the lipstick itself. So, and it came right off, so nothing to be freaked out about. I was freaked. I was like, what the hell? Nobody wants a Jaclyn Hill lipstick up in here. I am definitely going to need to use a lip liner. My trusty old Revlon Color Stay. Alright, so let's see what this is looking like. Oh my god. Boy, did I need that lip liner. Oh, this would be looking crazy. It went on really smooth. I was just shocked by the color. It is really freaking pink. Coral and tomato hue. I've never seen a tomato that looks like this before. Coral, yes. Tomato? No. Creamy with intense pigmentation. Yep. One coat and done. Yes. Makes my lips look plumper. Maybe because the color is so bright? I wouldn't say it makes my lips look plumper. They always look plump. I'm not mad at this color. I really like it, especially with the lip liner. It just blends really well for me. So I'm a fan of Cargo. Wait. Hold up. There's still one more product. I know. I counted 6 too. But apparently there's 7 in this box. And I would have thought I hit the jackpot if they didn't include one trash product. Trash. Okay? Still calling that trash. The mini makeup eraser. Look how tiny this one is. What? So tiny. Just so you know how small this is. This is my big face. This one's $12. That is so cute. I have gotten a large makeup eraser before. I'm not exactly sure where I got it from, but it was really cute and I use it all the time. This one is black. Look at that. It looks like a sleeping mask. I think by now you guys know what the makeup eraser, how it works, so I don't really think I need to do this on camera. That's it. That's all that was included in my Allure beauty box. If you're interested in signing up with them, I'll actually leave a link down below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.